Alright guys, so today we're going to be making a sign that looks like this. To print this out, I use an app called Visio, and that just leaves a little bit, it cuts off a little bit of the picture, so you can cut that piece out and then put it over top of the other piece to make it perfect. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm just going to cut that little section out. I'm using normal packaging tape, but you can use basically any tape you want. But I like to put a little bit, half of the tape on one piece, then it's kind of like go over top of the other piece, get where you want it, and then just push down on the tape. Just like that. You can see that's lined up, so that'll be good enough for engraving. I'm going to start engraving with this bit right here. Alright guys, I just did all that with the blue bit. You can see there. I'm going to go back in with the yellow bit, so you can see here, which is just a little bit wider on the outside. And I'm going to go in certain spots just to make it look like it's 3D. I'm going to use the blue bit for the rest of the project. Now that I got that done, the next step is to spray paint it. Take off the paper. Alright, now that I got the tape off, I'm going to sand it. Alright guys, it just got done. This is how it looks. The next step is to cut around the corners. What I mean by that is I'm going to take a circular object like this. I put a hole in the middle and line that up with the corners. And then I'm going to mark around on the outside and then cut that piece out on all the corners. Alright, I got my Black & Decker jigsaw here, and I have it set to like the third setting on there, and that's going to make it so it curves just a little bit easier. This is how it looks after we cut it. Now I'm going to go back in with this bit right here. And I'm gonna cut all the way around the edge, this one. This has been a project from scratch. Make sure to like and subscribe.